Hi everyone, my name is iiqrah and welcome to my YouTube channel. I just got out of the shower so my hair is still wet. I don't have time to dry it, so I thought might as well just film the video and get going with my day. Yes, we have another Amazon package to open. No, it's not a musical instrument this time, but it's still something that I'm really excited to open. The package is something related to what I'm wearing. You already guessed because it's in the title below. So let's actually open the package. Woohoo! There it is. It's quite light. I have my keys here, so I'm going to use that. So this is the package. Ta-da! No, I did not order paper. Okay, so ta-da! What? That's very anticlimactic. I don't know why I thought it would be not this. So this is a 5D diamond painting set. That's why I was like, this is not real diamonds, this is not real diamonds, so you get the connection. What? It says, to my lover. Guess I just love myself too much. Best quality. Made in China. Eco-friendly. Non-toxic. I'm not going to put that into test. And non-fading. Good to know. So it's a 5D 5D? Why is it 5D? Isn't it supposed to be 3D? What sort of 5 dimensions is it tackling? I'm just going to call it a 3D. It's just a diamond painting set. If you don't know what diamond painting is, keep watching and you'll find out. But the easiest explanation is, instead of painting with paint, you use rhinestones. Oh, do I need scissors for it? Yes. Oh, it wasn't that bad. Ooh. But it's so compact. Maybe that's why they mean eco-friendly. I'll probably have to iron this, flatten it out. This feels really weird. Okay, so this is the painting. It's almost like pixel art. If you can see, each pixel would be a different rhinestone. This is the color chart of what I need to do, and it's really sticky. This is the covering, and if you open it and touch it, it's really sticky. Also, just like pixel art, the larger the painting, the more detailed it looks. But I feel like this is good enough. You also get the different plots. They're really tiny. So these are the different rhinestones, and there are color codes. I like anything which is colorful. As a kid, whenever someone used to ask me what I want for my birthday, I used to just be like, stationery. For this birthday, I asked someone to gift me a glue gun, and they were like, no, why are you joking with me? I wasn't. I really wanted a glue gun. Woo! So these are the rhinestones, plastic fake diamonds. Ta-da! And also you get this bit. That's a really tiny amount of wax. So compared to this, it's just this much. And it also has a cover. You also get a pen to actually take the rhinestone and put it on the painting. You get this tray where you lay rhinestones, and it has ridges. The step is you take your pen, stamp it on the wax, and then you pluck one and then put it on the painting. And you do that for as long as you can. Now I'm thinking, if this is not enough, I'll just probably use some sort of soap or clay. I'm actually gonna figure out the colors and stuff and shoot the painting part of it.
Okay, voiceover time. So with the kit, you get the tray, plastic bag, wax, and a pen, and tons of fake plastic diamonds. Now the first thing you have to do is iron it because it comes very crumpled up. But it has a plastic covering, so you can't really iron it straight away. You have to cover it with a cloth and then iron it. Now each colored diamond has a number and a symbol attached to it, so that's how the color coding works. Next, I was going to pour the diamonds on the tray. Now there's a reason why we use that tray that has ridges. You have to start off with putting the diamonds facing the way it would on the painting. So when you pour the diamonds on the tray and shake it, the ridges on the tray help it get aligned the right way. Then you just use the pen to stamp the wax, just so that it has some grip to pick the diamond up, and then you stamp it on the drawing. How exciting! And then you do that until what feels like eternity. I don't know how long this painting took me. I did take a lot of breaks, but it did take me many hours to complete it. There are also times when the tray tumbles over and the diamonds are all over the place and you just question all your life decisions. But for the majority of the time, it is a fun, mindless task that helps you ponder about your purpose in life and sometimes even have a full-on existential crisis. But we won't go into that today. I'd recommend using a lamp for better visibility and also make sure that your posture is correct. Before I could finish my painting, I did have to travel back home So the best way I found was to use one of these medicine managers. I got mine from Poundland for £1, but make sure to label them, otherwise you might run into problems of matching the colors with its symbols, that sort of thing. Time for the big reveal! Ta-da! So that's how it looks. I'm pretty happy with how it looks. You can also use scissors to cut off the outer unnecessary bits if you want. So yeah, that's how it turned out to be. I'm pretty happy with it. It did take a lot of time, but I like the outcome. Do let me know if you like it, but I give it a big thumbs up and an okay. Ooh, also around this time I was taking part in VidCon London I'm a Creator contest, so I thought might as well include diamond painting into the video. That's a clip from my submission. I ended up winning that contest, which was pretty cool. I also created some fan art using diamond painting for the creators that I was excited to meet during VidCon London, but it's a shame that I forgot to bring them with me, so I couldn't really give it to them. So that's been my experience with diamond painting. I hope you enjoyed the video. Share, subscribe, like, follow me on Twitter. Ooh, maybe consider supporting me on Patreon. But other than that, okay, bye!